Welcome back, everyone. Stopped by Target. Figured I'd pick up a couple small blasters. 2019 Topps Gypsy Queen and 2019 Heritage. Seen a bunch of this stuff broken. Actually broken on YouTube. Broke. I don't know what the appropriate word is, but figured I'd give it a try. Take a look for 19 bucks each or whatever it is. Alright, we get our special pack and then 7 regular packs. Let's get to it. Merrifield, Richards, Mabel. It's kind of hard to see the rookie up in the corner. Gave, rookie. And Fires, I believe, and Springer. That was a rookie as well. I know there's some variations. Some will be missing the name. Others will have a different logo there instead of the GQ. Not really sure who we're looking for in 2019. I haven't really kept up with it, but Ryan O'Hearn, rookie. I don't know if it's a G or Segura, I'm assuming. Chris Davis. Another Chris Davis. Archie Bradley and a Bryce Harper. I don't know if it's a variation or not. I don't know if they have variations, honestly. Next pack. What's that? Camargo, Mazzara. Can't pronounce. Mejia. Fortune Teller. Scherzer. It's actually centered pretty well. I've seen a bunch of these come out of boxes and videos, and they're centered really bad. So it's kind of cool. And Pillar, or Pillar. All right, Rosario, Rizzo, Gennett. There's one upside down for some odd reason. Goldschmidt, Arrieta, and Hader. Anderson, Galorm, Goo, there we go, Clemente, Reyes, and Correa. I don't think there we go, there's a rookie. So I probably missed some, so I'll have to go back and check them. Really want to start buying more baseball. There we go, Lindor. I'm currently trying to gather up some of his rookies. Don't know how to pronounce that guy's name. Hayward, Jake Lamb, and Lucchesi, I'm guessing. Just going back looking for any rookies. Last pack before the special pack. Lou Trevino, rookie of Urias. Machado, we have a Fortune Teller, or a Terrative Diamond, which is Kimbrel, Junis, and a rookie of Brandon Lowe. Our special pack. Greinke, Glevinger, Woodruff, Cody Bellinger, and David Dahl. So we'll set that stuff aside. this one. My Target actually didn't have any of the mega boxes, otherwise I would have bought those. 2, 4, 6, 8 packs. I don't know if you get the cloth ones in this or not. Zobrist, Bradley Jr., Almora, Giolita, Giorgio, Hamels, Harrison, Perez, and Bauer. If there's any variations that I missed, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Porcello, Chasin, Melicon, Franco. There we go, another Lindor. It's a good day for Lindors. Montes, Frere, and Kopech. Looks like 2019 Rookie Stars. Gregorius and Fowler. I love how easy these packs are to open. Smith, Pillar, McCann, Cozart, Adam Jones, sorry I'm almost a little low, Jock Peterson, Jock, Jason Hayward, Martinez, and Nunez, pinch hit, home run, seals the win. Kind of seems like it'll be hard to beat 2018's rookie class. Nick Williams, Ozuna, pitching leaders, Rookie Stars, Ray Black and Steven Duggar. Scratch off, a Syndergaard, Lou Trevino, and league leaders, DeGrom, Nola, Scherzer, Goldschmidt, and Santana. Didn't want to come up. Stamen, Rookie Stars, Phil Meyer and Brad Keller. Rookie Stars, Tejas and McGuire. Carrasco, EPA gets its start. News flashbacks. Arano, Goodrum, and World Series. Let's see. Doesn't say much. And then Shreve. We have 3 packs left, I think. Parker. Looks like a different color. Chris Davis, Wendell, Cobb, and then we have this little Ozzy Albies. It's kind of cool. Soria, Alcantara, Hernandez, and Craig, is it? Cruz. Alright, Jeffrey Springs, Jose Trevino, Pettit, Hand, Cespedes, Contreras, Calhoun, Uriel, Voit, Bundy. Eflin, Martin, Hamilton, pitching leaders. Oh, there we go. That's a cool Otani. Too bad it's off a little, off center a little. Davidson, Archer, Kemp, and Gomez. We'll do a quick rundown. Again, I don't know what to pull out of the Heritage, but Fortune Teller of Scherzer, Low, I think that's a little, Urias, Galorm, O'Hearn, Richards, Gave, Greinke, Glevinger, Woodruff, Bellinger, Dahl, Kimbrell, Lindor, Harper. And then the four that I pulled out of the Heritage: Lindor, Ohtani. I don't know why I pulled this, but didn't pull the other rookie stars. But and then this Ozzy Albies, which is kind of cool. Baseball stars candy, super cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Probably end up picking up a couple of these hobby boxes each and see what we get. Have a great day.